Flip. Flip.
Alright, if your iPhone screen recorder has no audio or sound, this is how you fix it. All you have to do is to swipe up from your home screen to go to control panel, and before you hit record, hold down on the record button or use the 3D touch, and as you can see here, your microphone audio is off like me. All you have to do now is to tap on that mic icon and that will turn red, showing you that it is on now, and all you have to do now is to go back and hit the record button, and that will record your iPhone screen and audio as well. Alright, leave a comment if this helped you guys, and like this video if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe before you go. I'll see you in next video. Bye.